everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Wednesday.